If you want to be able to use famous characters and people in Sora, but it keeps blocking you with this error, I'll show you in this video how to get around it. To do this, let's quickly understand why this error comes up. Sora has been instructed not to generate famous people that are alive, or famous characters played by people that are currently living. That's why generally you'll have no issues asking it generate famous people that are deceased, or characters played by actors that are now deceased. But if these people are alive, Sora will not create the video. Now, Sora does this third-party check at 2 points. The first check is in your text prompt itself. So if you mention a famous living person by name in the prompt, it's going to trigger the block. If you get past the first check, then you get to the second check, and that's when Sora will look at the image it has generated for you before it has made it available for you to see. This is why you'll sometimes see the loading bar start and get completed, but still get hit with this error after. If it detects that this generated image looks too similar to a living famous person or character, it will block it. Okay, so how do you get around these checks? To get past the first check, in your prompt, simply don't mention the person or character by name or reference their movie or anything like that. Only use their physical characteristics. So go to the AI of your choice and ask for a detailed but purely physical description of that person. But if you just use this exact description, it's highly likely that Sora will block it in the second check because it will recognize the appearance of the person you created as looking too similar to someone famous. So you need to intentionally make them look a slightly different from their well-known appearance. An effective way of doing this is by putting them in a setting they're not known for and making their clothing different from what they are known to wear, like making them a worker in a random store. If Sora blocks you, keep making small changes to the prompt description of their appearance until it's sufficiently different enough for Sora to think it's not generating that famous person. Once it makes a video for you without error, now post it. And then now you can use this as the base model to create the scenes you want by remixing your own post. But again, if you to recreate the same looks and settings as the famous person or character as they are well known for, you will get blocked by the Sora second check. It will always look at the final video it creates before it gives it to you.